Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're continuing our pasta series. We're doing spiral, chicken and avocado in a cream cheese sauce. Beautiful dish, very popular back when we had the restaurant. I'll put it out there, this was so popular that I would almost say that it was the craze before the smashed avocado on toast. That's how much avocado we went through those days. So again, with all our pasta dishes, or with most of our pasta dishes, it's a very simple preparation, very simple to cook, just 2, 3, 4 ingredients, and within 10 to 15 minutes you're eating a top restaurant quality dish. Okay, so we'll go through all the ingredients and we'll get over to the stove and we'll start cooking. Okay guys, here we go. There's our pasta fusilli or spiral, some flat leaf parsley, some salt and pepper, some extra virgin olive oil. We've got 300 ml of cream there, light or heavy. There's our chicken breast and avocado, and lastly our pecorino Romano. Okay, we'll do a little bit of prep and then we'll get over and start the cooking. Okay guys, we'll start with the chicken breast. We're just dicing it. The avocado, okay, so we just leave it like this and we just scoop it out as we add it into the sauce. And then the last thing we need is our parsley. That is the extent of our prep, guys. See you over at the stove. Hey guys, we turn on the heat. Pan, water's boiling, put in some salt, 2 tablespoons, put the pasta in, stir, packet says 11 minutes. Olive oil, a couple of tablespoons, and there's your chicken. Medium heat. So we'll be lightly browning this. Starting to get a little bit brown. Some salt and pepper. And break it up if you like, a bit smaller pieces. It's tender now. Okay, at this point we can turn off the heat. We can add some cream. Now remember, the pasta is still cooking. Pasta probably needs another 5 minutes. So I'll just add some pepper to this sauce. And we can start adding some avocado. Now remember, the avocado has to be nice and ripe. We're just breaking it up in there. Checking the pasta. Okay, we can turn the heat back on. Just medium. Add some parsley, flat leaf parsley. Once that gets back to a simmer, we add the pasta. Okay guys, it's getting to a nice simmer now. Break up some of the avocado in there. Leave some chunks. The rest will dissolve into the sauce. The chicken. Pasta will be ready in a couple of minutes. Just leave the sauce simmering on a very low heat, and then we add the pasta and then the cheese, and we are good to go. How great does that look, guys? Okay guys, the pasta's ready. We transfer it to the pan. We crank it up. Some cheese. Basically it, guys. Pretty well ready to serve up.